Welcome to Massachusetts, a state on the eastern seaboard of the United States where nature thrives alongside a rich history and vibrant culture. From its stunning coastline to the majestic Berkshire Mountains, Massachusetts offers a tapestry of landscapes as diverse as its people. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and breathtaking vistas that make Massachusetts a true natural wonder. Our journey begins where the Atlantic Ocean meets the resilient shores of Massachusetts. Stretching over 1,500 miles, the coastline is a captivating mosaic of sandy beaches and rocky shores. Harbor seals bask on sun-drenched rocks while gulls wheel and cry overhead. In deeper waters, whales breach and dive, showcasing the ocean's bounty. Iconic lighthouses stand as sentinels guiding mariners for centuries. Cape Cod National Seashore epitomizes the wild beauty of this region. Towering dunes give way to pristine beaches, where shorebirds leave their footprints. It is a place where one can truly feel the raw power of nature. Leaving the coastline, we venture inland to the Berkshires, a region renowned for its natural beauty and cultural richness. Nestled in the western part of Massachusetts, the Berkshires offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, rolling hills and verdant valleys take center stage, creating a picturesque landscape that has inspired artists and writers for generations. The gentle undulations of the land are a testament to the region's glacial history, sculpted over millennia. Dense forests clothe the slopes, alive with the songs of countless birds. These woodlands are a haven for wildlife, providing shelter and sustenance for a diverse array of species. The canopy overhead filters the sunlight, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor. Crystal-clear streams carve paths through the undergrowth, their waters sparkling in the sunlight. These streams are the lifeblood of the forest, nourishing the plants and animals that call this place home. The sound of flowing water adds a soothing soundtrack to the natural symphony. Along their banks, a rich tapestry of life unfolds. From the smallest insects to larger mammals, all find sustenance here. The streams also play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem, ensuring that the forest remains vibrant and thriving. Hiking trails offer breathtaking views of the landscape, inviting adventurers to explore the natural beauty of the Berkshires. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, there's a trail for everyone. Each path reveals new vistas and hidden gems, making every hike a unique experience. In winter, the Berkshires transform into a winter wonderland for skiers and snowboarders. The snow-covered slopes attract winter sports enthusiasts from near and far, offering a variety of trails for all skill levels. The crisp, cold air and pristine snow create a magical atmosphere. In autumn, the hillsides explode in a riot of color, attracting visitors from far and wide. The vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows of the fall foliage create a stunning mosaic that is truly a sight to behold. This is the season when the Berkshires are at their most breathtaking. This is the season of leaf peeping, when nature's grand finale is on full display. People come from all over to witness this spectacular show, taking in the beauty of the changing leaves. It's a time of reflection and appreciation for the natural world. The Berkshires are a haven for those seeking solace in nature's embrace. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind or embark on an outdoor adventure, this region offers something for everyone. The serene landscapes and tranquil atmosphere make it the perfect destination for a peaceful retreat. The lifeblood of any ecosystem lies in its waterways, and Massachusetts is no exception. The Connecticut River flows like a silver ribbon through the heart of the state. Along its banks, willow trees dip their branches, while great blue herons stand patiently. The river teems with fish, from Atlantic salmon to brook trout. The Quabbin Reservoir, created in the 1930s, has evolved into an ecological marvel. Bald eagles soar overhead while beavers build their dams along the water's edge. Canoes and kayaks glide silently across lakes, offering tranquility. Fishermen cast their lines while sailboats harness the wind. Venturing deeper into Massachusetts, we enter a realm where towering trees reign supreme. These forests are not just a collection of trees, but a living, breathing ecosystem that supports a diverse range of life forms. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this intricate web of life. Forests and woodlands, covering over 60% of the state, provide vital habitat for a staggering array of flora and fauna. These green expanses are home to countless species of plants, each contributing to the forest's health and resilience. The dense canopy overhead filters sunlight, creating a unique microclimate that supports a rich understory of shrubs, ferns, and wildflowers. Towering oaks stand as silent guardians, their roots anchoring them firmly to the earth. These majestic trees can live for centuries, witnessing the changing seasons and the passage of time. Their acorns provide food for wildlife, while their sturdy branches offer shelter and nesting sites for birds and small mammals. Maples provide a splash of color in the fall, their fiery hues a beacon amidst the greenery. As the seasons change, these trees transform the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of reds, oranges, and yellows. The fallen leaves enrich the soil, creating a fertile ground for new growth in the spring. Beneath the canopy, a carpet of ferns and mosses thrives, sheltering myriad insects and amphibians. This lush understory is a world unto itself, teeming with life. The fern's delicate fronds and the moss's soft, spongy texture create a serene and enchanting environment where every step reveals a new discovery. Woodpeckers hammer rhythmically against tree trunks while squirrels gather nuts. These industrious creatures are a vital part of the forest ecosystem. Woodpeckers help control insect populations, and their drumming creates nesting cavities for other birds. Squirrels, on the other hand, play a crucial role in seed dispersal, ensuring the regeneration of the forest. High above, songbirds fill the air with their melodious calls. Their songs are a symphony of nature, a testament to the forest's vitality. These birds not only provide oral pleasure, but also help in pollination and pest control, making them indispensable to the forest's health. Hiking trails lead to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking vistas. These trails offer a chance to immerse oneself in the natural beauty of the forest, providing a respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual stroller, the forest has something to offer everyone. Birdwatchers flock to these wooded havens, hoping to glimpse rare species. The forest is a paradise for bird enthusiasts, offering opportunities to see a wide variety of birds in their natural habitat. From the elusive warblers to the majestic hawks, there's always something new to discover. The forests of Massachusetts offer a sanctuary from modern life's hustle and bustle. These tranquil woodlands provide a place for reflection and rejuvenation, where one can reconnect with nature and find peace amidst the trees. Whether you're seeking adventure or solitude, the forest welcomes you with open arms. Off the coast of mainland Massachusetts lie a series of islands, each with its unique charm. These islands, known collectively as the Cape and Islands, are a beloved destination for both locals and tourists alike. The journey to these islands often begins with a scenic ferry ride, offering a preview of the natural beauty that awaits. As the ferry approaches Martha's Vineyard, the anticipation builds and the island's picturesque landscape comes into view. Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket stand out, synonymous with breathtaking beauty and a slower pace of life. These islands are not just places to visit, they are experiences to be savoured. The charm of Martha's Vineyard lies in its diverse landscapes and vibrant communities, while Nantucket's allure is rooted in its rich maritime history and timeless elegance. Martha's Vineyard is an island of contrasts where rolling farmland meets dramatic cliffs. This juxtaposition creates a stunning visual tapestry that captivates visitors. The island's natural beauty is complemented by its cultural richness, making it a destination that appeals to both nature lovers and history enthusiasts. The island's rich history is palpable, from Oak Bluff's gingerbread cottages to Edgartown's sea captains' homes. Each town on Martha's Vineyard has its own unique character and story to tell. Oak Bluffs is known for its colourful, whimsical cottages that look like they belong in a fairy tale, while Edgartown boasts stately homes that reflect its prosperous seafaring past. Aquina Cliffs offer breathtaking views of the Atlantic, while numerous beaches provide ample opportunity for relaxation. The cliffs are a sacred site for the Wampanoag tribe, adding a layer of cultural significance to their natural beauty. The beaches, with their soft sands and gentle waves, are perfect for unwinding and soaking up the sun. Nantucket, further out to sea, is steeped in maritime history. Its cobblestone streets are a reminder of its whaling past. Walking through the town feels like stepping back in time, with historic buildings and charming shops lining the streets. The harbour, filled with historic ships, tells the story of Nantucket's seafaring heritage. The Coscatacoa Wildlife Refuge is a haven for shorebirds and other wildlife. This protected area offers a glimpse into the island's natural ecosystem, where visitors can observe a variety of bird species in their natural habitat. It's a peaceful retreat for nature enthusiasts and a reminder of the importance of conservation. Nantucket's bike paths offer a leisurely way to explore the island's hidden corners. These paths wind through scenic landscapes, providing cyclists with stunning views and a sense of adventure. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a casual rider, the bike paths of Nantucket are a delightful way to experience the island's charm and beauty. Our journey concludes in the Pioneer Valley, known for its fertile farmlands, charming towns, and rich history. The landscape unfolds in a patchwork of rolling hills, verdant fields, and meandering rivers. Family-run farms dot the countryside, their fields bursting with colourful produce. Farmers' markets offer a chance to savour the flavours of the season and experience farm-to-table living. The region is also home to hiking trails that offer breathtaking views of the countryside. Mount Tom Reservation and the Norwottuck Rail Trail provide scenic ways to explore the valley. As our journey through Massachusetts draws to a close, we're reminded of the profound beauty and diversity this state offers. From its rugged coastline to its majestic mountains, Massachusetts is a tapestry of landscapes. Explore its hidden gems, marvel at its vistas, and discover the natural wonders of New England.